What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Roy's Customs. If you're into cars and car audio, then you're in the right spot. And now all you got to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and get notified about all my latest videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little review of the TS676M Pioneer 3-way full-range door speakers. As you can see, it does have a paper woofer with a foam ring, which actually gives you plenty of response area, so you get some pretty nice mid-bass out of these door speakers. I actually kind of prefer the paper cone to the plastic or polyurethane or whatever it is that other companies may use. I just think it has a clearer, more natural sound when it comes to mid-bass, and you can see the dome tweeters that it has here. They actually scream quite well. They are 50 watts RMS, 300 watt max, but I would not recommend putting 300 watts on these. When I had my JVC in here, it actually sounded really good. It was very nice and loud. That head unit actually ran at 50 watts, so it was actually just really good combination together. So anyways, I'll kind of show you these things in action. I'm not going to play sound during it. So, as you can see, they actually do have a great bass response. The sound quality is phenomenal, but like with any system, you crank it up too loud, you will start getting distortion. What I have on it now is my Blaupunkt 20 watt by 4 head unit, which it's not bad. It has a good clean sound. It's just not real loud like my JVC was. But anyways, that is pretty much kind of it. If you're looking for a good quality sounding door speaker replacement or any 6.5 door speaker replacement, they're actually really good. They have a really good sound quality. I've put them in about everything that I've ever had that needed door speakers replaced, so I've always been satisfied with the Pioneer door speakers. These, you can actually still get these on Amazon for around 50 bucks. So, you know, so you can still get these. I'll put a link down below so that you guys can find them a little easier. So, anyways, there's not a whole lot to really say about door speakers. They're either good or they're bad. And the Pioneer TS676s, all the Pioneer door speakers that I've ever had, I've had the 5.5s and the 6.5s. So actually, you know, about all the Pioneer door speakers I've ever had has been good. And this is just another series that's not let me down. As far as sound quality and stuff, I've never been happier with anything else. You know, I have had other brands like Sony and things like that, and I just wasn't really as happy with the sound quality as what I got from the Pioneer door speakers. So anyways, guys and gals, like I say, I'll have a link in the description down below so you can find them on Amazon if you're interested in some new door speakers. I want to thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.